Do you see
Yes,
this trailer?
I see.
Do you see something behind this trailer?
I see.
The behind this trailer is this trailer.
I understand nothing.
Okay, let me show
What do
you.
you say?
Let me show you. This is one trailer for motorcycle, right?
Okay.
You got it now?
I see some
When
cuttings.
you don't use, you fold it like
Wow.
this.
Does travel moto need it?
If you live in a city, you want space. So you have it like this. Das ist eine Trailer.
Amazing.
Das ist eine Trailer. Und können wir das klein machen, wie das hier. Gucken Sie einmal hier. Wir sind in Deutschland. Nur in Deutschland diese Sache. Ganz schön. Only in Germany. Maybe this is made in Germany, maybe not, but I see these things only in Germany. And one German motorcycle.
Motorrad.
But right now we watch the trailer.
I found the brochure.
Where is this? Greece?
No, Greece.
Tourlakopoulos?
I don't know. No, Turlakopoulos. Would you want me to
Change page.
change? Okay.
Γάμαρε.
Information here. Ήλιος, moto
Αλλά
trailers.
he's Greek ρε. Τι ήλιος. He's Greek.
Ήλιος.
Greek είναι.
I don't know.
Ήλιος means in sun. Sun.
Yes.
Das Gewicht.
Hello. Ας το ρωτήσω την εταιρεία.
Das Gewicht. Πόσα κιλά είναι. Κοίτα, έχει κυργάτη. Τώρα. Ιχα.
You can ask him.
We want to be proud for one time.
You can have a telephone and ask
Yes.
him if he's Greek.
Yes.
We want-
Can you talk Greek?
Yes.
We want to be proud for one time. So we read here
We
Helios.
saw
and
this
sun.
and I say, is he Greek? Because this is a Greek
Only
name.
Greek word I know is raki.
Raki,
Yes, yes.
Raki. Have you been to Creta?
Kalimera.
The wine.
Krasi.
Racine.
Κρασί.
You have been to Creta? Creta.
No, I was not Creta.
Ah.
I was in somewhere else.
Woher kommen Sie, Deutschland? Sind Sie in hier?
Holland.
Ah, Holland.
I have family in Holland. In Den Haag.
Πόσα κιλά είναι αυτό? Πόσα κιλά? How many kilos? I'm looking for the kilos. Τα κιλά, λέτε κιλά. Τα φρίνα. Κοίτα εδώ. Κοίτα εδώ πως κλείνει εδώ.
The Greece isn't they are not sitting still.
Τι ωραίο, αυτό στο πορπαγκάζ το βάζω μέσα. Okay, this was the video, ladies and
We
gentlemen.
love this folding trailer.
Yeah, it's
Amazing.
Let me see the company.
Yes.
Θα μας κυνηγάει ο Τουρλοκόπουλος τώρα, τι να κάνουμε τώρα.